Hello, my fellow YouTubers. This is Roy back again. I just posted a video, and as I stopped the video, I realized that there was something else I wanted to show you guys, and this was really the most important part. But here it is. So we're sending 10,000 kilohertz sine wave into that coil. These coils are identical, so there are two resonant coils, okay? And I want to show you a couple things about having two resonant coils. One is the bottom channel there is this coil, okay? You see it reacted to my hand. That coil, okay? The top one is off to the side, and it's this ferrite. You can just see it like a bomb, like it's like crazy up there. That's the ferrite core. We'll leave that to the side for right now. But I wanted to show you something that's really interesting. So we're going to take this ferrite core and we're going to stick it into we call that the sending unit, and take a look at the height of the wave, and we're going to see if we can get the wave to increase a little bit by sticking the ferrite core in there. Yep. And we'll bring it up to its max, and then we'll just set it down. Let's see, it's about it. All right. Well, let me do this one first. We're gonna go to this one, and let's stick it in here and see if we can get it to go up. So right now, we're bringing it in until we get at its max. So let it sit. That's about its max right there, okay guys? We're a little bit halfway above the line. So let's go ahead and pull that out. So you've seen what this would do with this core, and you've seen what that one did individually. So let's go back over here and bring it up to its max right about there. We're going to leave it. Now we're going to go ahead and stick this ferrite core over here. And remember, we're sending with that one, we're receiving with this one. These are two identical coils. That one now has a little more excitation inside the coil because this coil is excited when that had the core put in there, ferrite core. You can see that we're higher. Now let's go ahead and stick this core in there and see what we get. Whoa, look at that. So we're about our max now. So now look at the difference. First of all, I showed you what max intensity we have out of that one first. Then I went over here and showed you the intensity. And in order to get this intensity, we had to go back, get that one tuned. I'll call it tuning. And then come over here and tune this one. And then that's your max there. But I got to show you guys something. So we're basically doing this video because we're learning about a 3-coil system. Now, what happens if you were to stick a coil in the center of this? You know, pretty much, probably not a line. But I checked all the coils, but the one coil, all of a sudden, just was like dropping an atom bomb down in the field, which is this ferrite core. Well, watch the line. All of a sudden, on the ferrite core, let me get my hand out of the way. Look at the intensity. Look at the intensity. It's like on top of resonance. You're getting this intensity. So ferrite in a resonant situation is really unbelievable. Let's pull these cores out. All right, let's go ahead and drop down again the atom bomb here, the ferrite core, and watch the upper one now. See, I took the cores out. It's not, doesn't have the intensity. So you can see how I demonstrated the difference there. And that's why we're really getting into deep. I'm diving in deep, guys. Don't mean to be flooding you guys out with videos, but I'm diving in deep. The true way to learn is to dive in deep, and to have waste my time on stuff is ridiculous. And there's a lot of coils here I have to wind up. And I ain't winding no damn coils unless I know exactly what I'm doing. And this is how you figure out exactly what you're doing. That is just amazing. Resonant coils and the reaction on the inside. Amazing. You guys have a great night. Peace out. Leave your comments.